5. Abdullah Omar Rafiki from SD Islam Khalifah Anizam Palembang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Abdullah Omar Rafiki. I am from SD Islam Khalifah Anizam Palembang, and I am here to tell you a story about the dog and the elephant. A long time ago, there was a dog who used to visit the stable where the king elephant lived. The dog was there to eat the food that was left after the elephant had finished eating. Another day, the dog wading around bits of food to eat, slowly became friends with the elephant. And because of that, the elephant started sharing his food with the dog. When the elephant slept, the dog was right beside him. When the elephant started playing, the dog was playing with him. But one day, a farmer came to look over and saw the dog and the elephant playing. The farmer said, "I want to buy that dog. How much is it?" The elephant keeper didn't care for the dog, so he asked for a fair price. The farmer paid the fair price fairly. But then the elephant realized, where is the dog? He was so sad. In fact, he didn't even eat nor bath. On the second day, he did the same thing. On the third day, the elephant keeper go to the stable and asked, "Why is the elephant such in a weird way?" Asked the elephant keeper. The stable said, he doesn't seem to have any serious injuries, but he seems to look sad. Why? Maybe he lost a friend or a playmate. The elephant keeper instantly realized and instantly went back to the farmer and wanted to get the dog back. He paid more than the full price he paid last time, and then the dog and the elephant reunites and happily live ever each other. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.